Hey guys, it's Ingrid, and I'm here with my first kit of 2023. I am so excited. I love this kit. I love it so much. I think that you're going to love it. It has a lot of neutrals. It's really great for Valentine's, but it's really great for the rest of the year. I just love it. So let's get into it. I'm going to start off with my background papers. As I've told you guys before, I generally print my background papers on copy paper, and I use a little bit thicker copy paper than like the normal, so I try to go 20 or higher. And then I print I've printed here my ephemera on cardstock. So I'm going to start off with this. It's a collage sheet. Isn't that great? And remember, with the collage sheets, you don't have to use it as the base of your background. You can cut it up and use the elements, which are, scattered out, but you can get like this lovely tape, or you can get like this piece here. It's really so versatile. Here is another sheet. On this one, so there's several that are side by side like this, and they're made so that you can use them like this if you want to put them in a journal. And so this would be, one page, and this would be the other page, and then you'd have to fill these out. Or you can print on both sides, of course, in which case then you'd have, all of them filled. But you can also cut it apart and just use each piece. Or you can even like cut it down the middle so that you can use that tape piece right there. And really the sky's the limit with these. Here is another one of those. I found that using the design with both gives you a lot of versatility. I did add some of these that have a full page though. And I love this one. It's so good. I cannot wait to start creating with it. I wanted to make a mention of something. I am taking into account all the people, including myself, that cannot print without having a border. And so in all the kits, there's going to be, I think, 2 or 3 papers that are I'm going to have doubles. One that goes all the way to the edge, and then one I'm giving you guys, I made it so that it has this allowance so that you're not losing any of this really yummy texture that you're seeing here. And so just be mindful to that. It's at the end of the file, so when you go to print your papers, you don't need to print the last 2 because those, or the last 3, whatever it is, because those will have the border. This is another one that had the border because I didn't want to lose out on any of that. And I was thinking that since I can't print borderless, I thought you guys probably can't, maybe some of you can't either. And so I definitely wanted to include those. This is another one. This probably came out as my absolute favorite kit. It's kind of an homage to the first kit that I made with the florals, and I love it. So pretty. Here is another floral, and it's very textured. It looks like linen paper. It looks like it has so much texture without adding any bulk. Here's more of these with this yummy, yummy grunginess and distressing, but it's still so dainty and sweet. On this one, you're going to see that the tape isn't right in the middle, and I thought, doesn't that look awesome? I am definitely going to try to use a page like this. I think that that looks really pretty with this like faux tape here, but again, feel free to cut it up and use it however you want. Okay, let's get into the ephemera. I'm so excited about this. I added some ladies that are on their book pages, and I think these would be great, like book covers, or just to have a whole page of them. They'll like completely steal the show. She's so beautiful and lovely. So pretty. Here's some more ladies. I think there's one guy as well as some kids that made it on this kit, but it truly is a ladies' journal. Just love all this, these fancy photos, and even though like none of them are smiling, they're just so pretty and fancy. So you can see here some of the elements that I used on the collage sheets. And you can kind of start seeing why I think this is such a versatile kit. I think that you can use it in so many ways. It can go grunge, it can go shabby, it can go vintage. Really, the possibilities are endless. I love it so much. I can't wait to start creating with this. I know a lot of you have been asking me when my next kit is coming out, and I thank you so much for that and wanting another kit. And I got up this morning and I was like, I have to film this immediately so that I can get the kit out to you guys as soon as possible. I tried to include a lot of larger pieces of ephemera this time. And remember, all the kits kind of go together. I wanted to show you these two. So you can definitely use any of my other kits to go with these. It's not just that this one has to get used by itself. These are the exact same print with the exception of this is on a kind of sage greeny, teal-y color background, and it's got some distress and some distress writing. And this is the original cards that are on like a book page color. Of course, for all my other fellow ledger lovers, something new that I added is these postcards, which are really great if you want to print double-sided. And if you can't print double-sided on your printer, that's okay. You can cut these out and then cut another piece of like the background paper out and then just glue it together. No one will ever know. Here's some more postcards. I love these like botany prints. So pretty. And this is a great print to kind of go with a lot of different things. You guys know I've talked about it a lot that black and white is a neutral. I also think florals are neutral. I think they go with anything. And that is it. I hope that you guys love the kit. I cannot wait to see what you guys create with it. Remember, if you're not in my Facebook group, I'll leave a link down to it down below. I would love to have you. You can come and share all the projects that you make with any of my kits and or any projects that I share. And I just thank you guys so much. I cannot wait to hear your feedback about this kit. I'm so excited, and I love you truly, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.